Hello gamers! Are you struggling to play Minecraft for free? So don't worry, you just clicked the right video. Let's get into it! First of all, open your browser and simply type Legacy Launcher. Click on the first link. Click Download for macOS. Briefly, your download will begin. Remember, Java is always required for Minecraft, Java Edition. If you don't have Java on your Mac, just simply download it. It's not a difficult task.
As you can see, our launcher is downloaded. Just simply drag it into Applications folder. Open Legacy Launcher Stable from Applications. As you can see, Mac is not giving permission to open it. Simply do what I'm doing. Here you go. Your launcher is installed. Here's the most difficult step, so watch carefully. Don't click any 4 of them. Click Free www password. Now just simply make your account. Select the latest version and click Install and Play. Wait until your Minecraft is installed. Congrats, your Minecraft is finally installed. if you found this video helpful. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.